Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with another video of lesson number 8 from the book Ide 1. And what we have in this chapter, first we are going to read this chapter and translation of this chapter. And then we have Les fruits et les légumes, the name of the fruits and the name of the vegetables that we're going to talk today. And next we have here activity in which we have to fill in the blanks with ER ending verbs. So we are going to discuss ER ending verbs again. And next is this accent trema. What is this accent and how we use it? We'll discuss about this. And then we have fromage et viennoiserie, means fromage is cheese and next is pastries. We are going to talk about this. And this is it for this chapter. So let's begin with the reading of this chapter. So, leçon 8, lesson 8, le frigo de Kevin. Le means the, frigo is fridge, de means of, Kevin is Kevin. Mama, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le frigo? Mama, what is there? Il y a means there is or there are, and qu'est-ce que means what. So, qu'est-ce qu'il y a means what is there, dans means in, le frigo, the fridge. Mama, what is there in the fridge? Dans le frigo, il y a des carottes, des poivrons, un concombre, des champignons, des pommes, des framboises et des cherries. So, in the fridge, there are carrots, capsicums, a cucumber, mushrooms, apples, raspberries, and cherries. Il y a aussi des tomates, des raisins, des petits pois et des choux. Je n'aime pas les œufs. I don't like eggs. J'aime le chocolat et les fraises. I like chocolate and strawberries. Mama, qu'est-ce que c'est? Mama, what is this? Ce sont des haricots verts. So, Mama, what is this? These are some green beans. Tu n'aimes pas les haricots verts? You don't like the green beans? No, je n'aime pas les haricots verts. No, I don't like the green beans. Vert is green color. Haricot means beans. C'est bon pour la santé. They are good for health. J'adore la pizza. I love pizza. Je déteste la pizza et le burger. I dislike pizza and burger. Mais Mama, c'est délicieux. But Mama, it is delicious. Tu aimes la pastèque? Do you like watermelon? Oui, j'aime aussi les mangues et l'ananas. Yes, I also like mangoes and pineapples. J'aime bien le coca. I like Coke. Oh la la, je préfère le jus d'orange. Oh no, I prefer orange juice. So this was the reading of this chapter and the translation of this chapter. And next we have name of the fruits and name of the vegetables. So les fruits means the fruits. First is l'anana, because it is beginning with the vowel, so we are using L apostrophe. L'anana means pineapple. La banane is banana. La ceri is cherry. La fraise, strawberry. La framboise is raspberry. La mangue is mango. L'orange is orange. La pastèque is watermelon. La pomme is apple. Le raisin is grapes. And next we have les légumes means vegetables. So la carotte is carrot. Le champignon means mushroom. Le chou is cabbage. Le concombre is cucumber. Les haricots verts is green beans. So I'm reading it as les haricots because S is a muted consonant in French and H is also a muted consonant if it is at the beginning. So the sound of this S you will pronounce with the sound of this A. So les haricots verts means green beans. L'oignon means onion. Le petit pois is peas. Le poivron, capsicum. La pomme de terre is potato. La tomate is tomato. Next we have words and meanings of this chapter. And next is listening and tick. You have to listen and tick, so we are not going to do this. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le panier? What is there in the basket? Nom les fruits et les légumes. Name the fruits and the vegetables. Les fruits, the fruits. Dans le panier, il y a, in the basket, there are. What can you see in this basket? You have to write down the answer. There is a ananas. There is one ananas. Bananas. It is watermelon and orange, grapes, apples, and some mangoes. So these are the fruits that we have in this basket. And let's talk about the vegetables. So answer will be dans le panier il y a des tomates et des poivrons verts. So these are the fruits and vegetables that we have in this basket. So this is the first answer, and let's move on to next. So next question is about ER ending verb. So let me explain you the ER ending verb first. What is ER ending verb? I'm going to give you an example with MA verb. MA. To talk about the verb, MA means to like. So what is the meaning of ER ending verb? ER ending verb means we have to remove last ER and we have to put the appropriate endings. So if I'm talking about je, the conjugation will be AIME. But if this verb is beginning with the vowel, so the rule is we have to remove this E and we have to put apostrophe. It will be AIME. If it is AIME with L, it is AIME. AIMONS. It is AIMEZ. And with plural form of L, it is AIMENT. And plural form of L, AIMENT. So what you have to learn is, if we are conjugating it with je, you will add E. With Q, ES, IL, E, L, U, ONS, EZ, ILS, These are the endings that you will have to learn to conjugate ER ending verbs. ER ending verb means you have to remove last ER and you have to add these endings. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's move on to the chapter. So let's start with this activity. Completed means to complete. So the question is Paul dash la radio. And the answer for this will be Paul écoute la radio. Paul listen to the radio. Écouter, this écoute means to listen. Paul means ill. Next is Stella et Maria dash les haricots verts. Stella and Maria, and the answer will be, because we have two persons here, Stella and Maria, so the conjugation will be this, ending with ENT. Stella and Maria dislikes the green beans. Next is Leah parle français et anglais. Leah speaks French and English. Next is nous aimons la glace. We like the ice creams. Next is j'adore les fraises. I like the strawberries. Next is vous préférez le café. You prefer the coffee. Next is il habite à Paris. They live in Paris. So this is the answer for this activity. Let's move on to next activity. Next activity is you have to listen and you have to cross the fruits and vegetables name that you hear, but we can't play the CD here. So let's move on to next question. What is here? Next is, it is like a riddle. Say un légume. This is a vegetable. Say rouge, vert ou jaune. It is red, green or yellow. This is, now you have to tell the name of the vegetables. Answer for this is a poivron, a capsicum. And next is, say a fruit. This is a fruit. Il est rouge ou vert. This is red and green. Il est rond. It is round. Say, which is this fruit? It is in pomme. It is an apple. Next is les trémas. What is tréma? Tréma is one of the accents in French. So these little two dots on E, I, and U is called tréma. And what is the use of tréma? What will be the pronunciation if tréma is there? This tréma mostly comes when we have two vowels together in a word. So as you already know that when we have two vowels together in a word, it has a different sound. But when we have combination of two vowels and we have tréma on it, what is the difference? We have to pronounce these two vowels separately if we have tréma on this. If the word we have is mais. This may means but, and this may means corn. And if we have this may without tréma, it is mai, because a and I two vowel together is a, and s is a muted consonant and we don't pronounce it. It will be may. But here, if we have tréma on a, it will be may is. May is, because we have to pronounce it separately. This is the role of tréma. Now we have fromage ou viennoiserie means cheese and pastries. And for this activity, I'm clicking a tick first, which we have cheese here. First, this Camembert is a cheese. Next, Roquefort is a cheese, and next this one is a cheese, and Brie, this one is a cheese. This one. So this is pastry, and this is pastry. This is a pastry. These are the pastries. This is also a pastry type of a thing. So where we have cross, these are cheese, and where we have right mark, this is pastry. So this was the answer for this. Let's move on to the next question. Let's see what we have next. Here we have to prepare a poster on the products which are good and which are bad for your health. So you can do it by your own. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching my videos and share it with your friends. I'll be back with another video of chapter number 9 soon. So stay tuned. Goodbye.